Good morning traders and welcome to NAGA Academy's weekly market outlook. Today we will be analyzing a variety of instruments on different asset classes. Our first instrument is the Euro versus the Great British Pound on the 30-minute chart. We have recently observed a very strong uptrend and a top being formed at the 0.8955 price area. Since then, Euro Sterling has been correcting to the downside. It has formed a nice descending triangle which has recently broken to the downside, reaching the first target. The strong downtrend can also be supported with the ADX reading well above the 40 level. We're expecting Euro Sterling to continue its downward movement and reach the second price target of the descending triangle. Our second instrument is the Bitcoin versus the Euro. As we can observe on the Bitcoin Euro 30-minute chart, the crypto has been trading in a strong uptrend. It has currently reached the 7,200 price level and is currently correcting to the downside. We believe it will continue its correction until it reaches the 6,850 price area, which consists of an uptrend trend line. This will also collide with the RSI first touch under the oversold price level, which will initiate bullish signals. We're then expecting Bitcoin to continue its upward movement in order to reach the 7,200 price level again or even break higher. Our third instrument is oil. Oil has been trading in a downward movement since the last couple of weeks. Now, as we can observe on oil, it has formed a nice uptrend channel. The uptrend movement can also be supported with a golden cross with the 50 moving average crossing above the 200 moving average. We're expecting oil to continue its upward movement, trading between the uptrend channel, finding resistance at the return line and support at the trend line. Our fourth instrument is the Microsoft stock. Microsoft stock has been continuing making new highs. It has recently also broken a failure swing to the upside. It showed no weaknesses once it approached the 1.61.8 Fibonacci extension level and is currently broken above again and continuing its upward movement. We're expecting the Microsoft stock to reach the 261.8 Fibonacci extension level at the 1111 price area. We might also observe a retest on the 161.8 and then making a last movement up to the 111. Our fifth instrument is the FTSE 100. As we can observe on the British index, we can see a nice wedge pattern being formed. The FTSE has also been trapped in a trading range between the 7,780 area as well as the 7,495. It has been continuing its sideways movement and is currently trading in a wedge. We're expecting FTSE to either break on the downside and continue its downward movement to approximately the 7,490, where it will reach the bottom boundary, or a slight break above, or which can be considered as a false breakout, in order to reach the resistance level at the 7,780. For further upward or downward movement, we shall observe a valid filtered penetration in order to initiate either long positions or short positions. Thank you for watching NAGA Academy's weekly market outlook. We wish you successful and responsible trading.